Hey, what's going on, RC drivers? Welcome to the new workshop. Hopefully you had a great holiday. Hopefully you got some really cool RC stuff or just had some fun in RC. Me, I've been busy. I've been working on the space that you see behind me here. We had a temporary workshop before and it was finally time to build up my vision. I've been ordering stuff and it finally all came in. We got some really cool content coming up, so I just decided, you know what, I'm gonna shut everything down and just rebuild the studio here, and that's what I've been doing. I'm really excited to show you what I've done. We've got a really cool space, and let's start off over here with this workbench. This workbench is where I'm gonna do all of my unboxings and talk about the features of vehicles. And what I have on there is my play button. We finally got the play button, guys. Let's come check it out. This is because of you. Thank you very much for all of your support. It means a lot to me. Here's the story on how I got it, basically. I've been trying to contact YouTube through email, social media. Finally got someone on the chat. They looked at my account. They said, your account's in good standing. You should have got a notification. I said I didn't, and they asked the team, and 12 hours after my initial contact with them, they gave me a code, they gave me a website to go to redeem the code, and a few weeks later, this thing arrived. Let's check it out. There is the letter that everybody gets, lets you know your accomplishments, the black foam, and then the play button. There it is, RC Driver Online, and that is thanks to you guys. Thank you very much for all of the support. It means a lot to me. I gotta tell you, I've been doing this for almost 30 years at this point, being an RC media personality. I worked for RC Car Action since I think it was 1992 is when I first started writing, and then 94 I was hired. Worked there for a bunch of years, then started RC Driver magazine, worked there a bunch of years, and then when it closed in 2017, I actually wasn't sure what I was going to do, and then my wife said to me, she goes, you love RC, you know what to do, just keep on doing it, and that's when I started doing videos. And you guys jump right on with the support. I really appreciate it. I learned a lot, I did a lot, and the content keeps on getting better, and I can't wait to show you guys what we're gonna do this year. But again, thank you for all of your support. Actually, thank you YouTube as well. When I finally did hear from them, they were very nice and very helpful. So I kind of take back what I said in the previous video about the play button, but it's really exciting that we finally got this, and we're going to hang it on this wall over here, my new accent wall. I got this slat wall that I put up, looks very, very cool. The plaque will probably go over there somewhere. Right now I have the TV that you guys have seen before. It's kind of got to be temporary. I'm actually working with Stepcraft USA. They're a CNC machine company, and we're going to create a big RC Driver sign to put up there, backlit and all. Unfortunately, we couldn't have it done for the tour, but it's going to be cool when it's done, and that's when the play button will go up on the wall. But let's start off with the tour. I'm going to work my way around the room, and we'll start off with the buggy wall here. Basically, all the buggies that you've recently seen on the channel, and some that you haven't. I haven't done the LC Racing yet, haven't finished off the Techno, but that will be on the channel pretty soon. And then we've got kind of the backdrop for when we're doing the unboxings. Again, this will be the bench for the unboxings, and I've got a new tool cabinet with a bunch of storage for all the stuff that I have. But let's start off on the top here. Nice little bench that will just be for display. Got my Proline paint rack, got my Spectrum radios, some new teaking gear that's gonna go into some review cars. My little Tamiya trike, love that thing. But this is the key here, this storage. I got this from Sam's Club, and it was pretty cheap, but for what I'm going to use it for storage, for all the stuff that we're gonna use in builds and everything, this is going to work out really well. I mean, I still have to finish building this thing. The space isn't finalized yet, but this is going to help me keep organized a lot better than just digging through boxes and stuff like that. So there is all the electronic stuff, and then down below here is where I'm going to have all my chargers and everything. So everything is going to be nice and easy for me to get to when I am creating content. All right, I got another box over here for tools, and in here is just tools. So I really like all the different RC tool kits that are available out there. I've got tool kits with my name on them, even the RC Driver name from Hoodie. These are associated tools. Let's see down here, a bunch of dynamite tools, and in here We've got Losi tools and more dynamite tools and EDS tools. Those have my name on it as well. And then even more tools, and I'll put some more in the bottom. I haven't actually finished unpacking all the boxes from my move yet, but I'll finish filling those up. And again, that will help make my life a lot easier when making content for you guys. All right, next up is this workbench. Check it out, 22 feet of workbench space. How cool is this? This is really gonna help out with some of the builds that we're going to do. Before I'd have to tear it down, set something else up, and now I'm just gonna leave things set up so you guys can see what I'm up to, or just see what we're doing with a particular build. But let's start down over here, and first up, I just want to give you some more eye candy stuff. Definitely love putting stuff up on the walls for you guys to check out. 2 Losi machines, we got the arm of voltage there. And over here, this is the SMT10 project. As you can see, I've already got it set up, so I could go and film this right after I'm done with this video. Definitely want to get this thing together, because after driving the Losi LMT, I'm really into solid axle monster trucks. Definitely would like to get this project finished up. Over here, this is going to be a Tamiya space, and I've got a bunch of Tamiya kits to build actually. Got the Super Claw, the M05. I even want to do a video about some of their new tools that they came out with. And then over here, we've got some Traxxas stuff, and I've got the Slash kit to build up. And down below here, we've got more Traxxas projects ready to go. Phase 2 of the Max, we're gonna build an Ultimate Haas and even do something with the tracks. That's gonna be a lot of fun, but this is the workbench space. And this actually took me several days to build this, because the floor actually slopes in this room 2 ways, so just getting this thing level was a real pain. I was actually going to do a build on this workbench, or a how-to build, and because things got so crazy while I was assembling it, I didn't follow through on some of the video, but I might be able to salvage it. If you're interested in learning how to build a workbench, maybe for hobby use like this, let me know in the comments section below, and I'll try to salvage that video and maybe put it together as a get into RC video. As you can see, I also got the slat wall up. I had some more slat wall from when a friend gave it to me, and again, it just allows me to display some of the cars that we reviewed here on the channel, give you guys more stuff to look at. I also brought the lighting over from the old studio. There are the diamond plate housings with 5000K lights in there, LED lights, and then I actually replaced the lights on the ceiling as well. These are LED panels that I put up. These were a pain to hang by myself, but I got them up there, and they're supposed to be the same color as those, but I don't think they are. This one looks more yellow to me. I try to match everything, but that didn't work out. Thanks, Amazon. But over here is another new cabinet, matching set to the rest of the cabinetry that I got. Inside is my LiPo storage for now. I want to build a different LiPo storage setup, but this is going to work for now. And as you can see inside, I got my Spectrum batteries, Traxxas batteries, bat safe, that's always a good thing to have, SMC packs, and even some new Max Amps packs. Check these out. RC driver logo on there, pretty cool. Thank you, Max Amps. But that, again, I think that's going to change up over time. And let's move on. Let's move on over to this cabinet. So another matching cabinet. Went crazy on the cabinetry. Check out the 5B. Love large scale. I can't wait to drive that thing. I think I'm going to drive that thing this summer. But in here is all my radio stuff. Here, check this out. Radios, more radios. All those radios. Check out all the Traxxas radios down there. Mixer radios, a couple starter boxes, but this is going to just help me be a lot more organized when I go out to drive stuff, just for fun and for creating content. All right, so next I want to show you guys something else I did to the room here. Check out these squares on the wall. So this room, because of its length and size and actually the slope down in the floor, it creates a lot of echo, and I've been trying to get rid of it, just trying to improve the quality for you guys. So these are sound dampening panels here, and hopefully this will start cutting down on the echo. And I know it drives you nuts, or some of you nuts, drives me nuts. I think I gotta put some more on the ceiling, but basically I'm doing my best to improve the quality as I go along. All right, now this space over here, this is gonna be like my creator space. And I used to do a lot of custom stuff, and lately it's been a lot of bolt-on type of stuff, but I wanna get back to making my own parts and everything. So I've got my drill press, I got a small lathe, I've got my air compressor down there for when I do painting or cleaning cars. Then I got more storage up top here, and this is basically Just kind of some drone stuff in here and some more airbrush stuff over there. Again, the more storage you have, the better. Up top, there's my Tamiya tipper, and then down here is my HPI build. That was on our channel with, it was basically a competition with a bunch of other YouTubers that are out there, including Hemistorm, and maybe we could do another video where Hemistorm and I go and battle out with a build or something like that. If you would like to see that, let me know in the comment section below. Maybe I could talk to Hemistorm about another build off or something like that. That would be very cool. But over here, this is probably where I'm going to charge a lot of my batteries and stuff, just for when I'm gonna go out for action shoots. And then we get over to the floor. Here, check out the floor. Just another attempt to help dampen the sound so there's no echo, and it's good on the feet as well. When I'm walking around here working on stuff, that's definitely nice to stand on versus the concrete floor over here. But this is the wall of cars. Check this out. This is pretty much everything that has been on the channel. I don't think the Freightliner has been on the channel yet, but I believe everything else has. There is my row of elements. So we've got a couple RC four-wheel drives, G-Made Cross, another RC four-wheel drive Tamiya. Then over here, we've got a mix of different vehicles. We've got Corrali, then we've got a row of Axial, a row of Arma. There is the LMT from Losi, the ECX Brutus that we did a project on. There's the SBR 2.0, the DBXLE 2.0. Love those two. Those two are pretty awesome right there. Even the LMT. The LMT is pretty rad. Then here, this is a wall of Traxxas for all you Traxxas guys out there. Check this out, pretty cool setup. We've got some TRX4s, we got some Stampedes, the UDR, boats, the 6x6. This is a wall of fun right here, basically. And I think I've done projects on most of this stuff. Maybe we have to find one of the, well, again, we're gonna have a project with the TRX4 when we put the tracks on it. That'll be a lot of fun. Got some on-road cars, then down below we've got Red Cap and my project van. And then we're back to the beginning. And that's the new RC Driver Workspace. Hopefully you guys like it. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. And if you have some suggestions, please let me know. I'm always open to suggestions, and I wanna make this a better spot for your RC content. I can't wait to just share this hobby with you. Coming up in 2021 and beyond, we're gonna have a blast. Thank you again for all of the support. Happy New Year, and we'll see you back soon for some more RC Driver videos.